As it is defined that central bank act as a monetary authority or regulator for the financial system of an economy. Thus, the prime function is credit control. As we know that any economy willing to always prevent their economy from hyperinflation or fluctuation, because both situation not assume as good for economic developmental process. So every economy willing to try get that position whether there is a financial equilibrium or monetary equilibrium. But as we know that economy were never remain in the equilibrium situation because of trade cycle. Sometime economy will suffer from inflation and sometime economy will suffer from deflation. But monetary, being a monetary authority or financial authority, Reserve Bank always try to keep economy in equilibrium, and for this Reserve Bank take the help of two tools that is known as credit controlling function of Reserve Bank, and that is quantitative credit control methods. Under this, Reserve Bank again use various tools for credit control, like first, bank rate policy. Bank rate policy refers that policy at which commercial bank used to discount the bills of Reserve Bank used to discount the bills of commercial bank. बैंक रेट पॉलिसी, बैंक दर की नीति. बैंक दर की नीति वो नीति होती है जिस दर पर रिजर्व बैंक व्यावसायिक बैंकों के बिलों का बट्टा करता है. बैंक रेट पॉलिसी refers that rate at which central bank used to discount the bills of commercial bank. Whenever economy suffer from inflation, at that time RBI used to increase the bank rate, and therefore the getting loans from central bank for commercial bank, it became expensive, and so they get least loan from central bank. And whenever economy suffer from deflation, अगर अर्थव्यवस्था में मंदी है, at that time Reserve Bank used to decrease the bank rate. That is the policy to remain economy in equilibrium situation. Whenever there is inflationary situation, RBI used to increase the bank rate, and at the time of deflation, RBI used to decrease the bank rate. So bank rate is the most important qualitative credit control tool which is used by central bank. The next is cash reserve ratio. Cash reserve ratio क्या है? नगद सुरक्षित अनुपात. As we know that every commercial bank have to keep some reserve money from their demand deposit or total deposit, and that should be reserved in form of cash to the RBI. But as we know that on the basis of primary deposit and after keeping some certain reserve from primary deposit, commercial bank can be create credit to the peoples. But whenever there is inflationary situation, in inflationary situation RBI used to increase the cash reserve ratio. Suppose कि 1 लाख में अगर 20% कैश रिजर्व रेशियो रखना है 20,000 रुपया, और अगर अर्थव्यवस्था में तेजी है, मुद्रास्फीति है, तो उस टाइम आरबीआई इसको बढ़ाकर 40% कर सकती है. नाउ कमर्शियल बैंक हैव टू कीप 40% of their total deposit as a reserve, and only on the rest amount they can create credit to the people. यानी अब 60,000 पर ही वो क्रेडिट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, तो क्रेडिट कम क्रिएट करेंगे. On the other hand, if economy suffer from deflation, मंदी है, and there is need to be more credit in economy, at that time RBI used to decrease the कैश रिजर्व रेशियो, और आरबीआई उस टाइम हो सकता है कि 10-20% से घटाकर उसको 10% कर दे. नाउ कमर्शियल बैंक फॉर एन एग्जांपल अगर 1 लाख रुपया उसका प्राइमरी डिपॉजिट है या डिमांड डिपॉजिट है, तो उसको केवल 10,000 रुपया रिजर्व में रख करके 90,000 पर वो क्रेडिट क्रिएट कर सकता है. नाउ दे कैन क्रिएट मोर क्रेडिट टू द इकोनॉमी. So that is the function of cash reserve ratio, and cash reserve ratio is a very vital tool for credit control which is used by central bank. Cash reserve ratio refers that ratio which a commercial bank have to keep in cash form with their from their total demand deposit. Whenever there is inflation, RBI used to increase the cash reserve ratio, therefore commercial bank able to create least credit to the people, and whenever there is deflation, RBI used to increase decrease the cash reserve ratio, and therefore commercial bank able to create more credit. That is the function, and from this cash reserve ratio tool, RBI also can control the credit in an economy and remain economy in equilibrium. The third is open market operation. खुले बाजार की नीति. इसमें आरबीआई क्या करती है? खुले बाजार की नीति में RBI used to whenever inflationary situation में क्या करती है RBI used to came with a bag full of bonds, security, attractive bonds, securities and other shares, and they used to sell it from commercial bank, financial institution and general peoples to absorb extra liquidity in economy. यानी जैसे पानी गिर जाने पे हम कपड़ा रख देते या कॉटन रख देते ताकि वो पानी सोख ले, ठीक उसी तरह से जब कभी अर्थव्यवस्था में तेजी होती है, मुद्रास्फीति होती है, उस टाइम आरबीआई बहुत सारे अट्रैक्टिव बॉन्ड, शेयर और डिबेंचर के साथ आती है और उसे फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन को और जनरल पब्लिक को बेचती है और बदले में बेचकर पैसा वो सोख लेती है, ले जाती है. इकोनॉमी से जो सरप्लस लिक्विडिटी है उसको वो सोख लेती है, ले जाती है. एंड वेन एवर देयर इज डिफ्लेशन, और जब कभी मंदी आती है, अगेन आरबीआई केम टू परचेज दैट बॉन्ड्स एंड सिक्योरिटीज फ्रॉम पीपल्स एंड फ्रॉम मॉनेटरी इंस्टीट्यूशन और फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन टू क्रिएट एक्स्ट्रा लिक्विडिटी. अतिरिक्त लिक्विडिटी को क्रिएट करने के लिए वो उनसे खरीदती है और फिर बड़े पैमाने पर उनको रिटर्न देती है. तो ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन इज ऑल्सो ए गुड टूल or vital tool which is used by Reserve Bank or Central Bank to control the credit level in an economy and to remain the economy as in its equilibrium form. Open market operation refers that operation in which whenever economy suffer from inflation, RBI used to came with a full of bag of bonds, shares and debenture and used to sell it from peoples and monetary institution and financial institution to absorb extra liquidity from the economy. And whenever again the economy suffer from deflation, RBI used to purchase that particular bond and securities and share debenture from peoples and financial institution to create extra liquidity. The next is statutory liquidity ratio, SLR. It is a part of CRR, cash reserve ratio. SLR, statutory liquidity ratio, refers that ratio which a commercial bank have to be kept with themselves in banking system. That is terms as a security money which a commercial bank have to be kept with themselves anytime in cash form. And whenever inflationary situation, same like a bank rate policy, RBI used to increase the SLR. इन्फ्लेशन में इंक्रीज कर देगा और डिफ्लेशन में इसको डिक्रीज कर देंगे. तो statutory liquidity ratio, whenever there is a inflationary situation, RBI used to increase SLR and therefore commercial bank became unable to create more credit to the economy. And whenever there is deflationary situation, RBI used to decrease the SLR and now commercial bank became more able to create more credit to the economy. That is also a vital tool which is used for credit control through central bank, and it is most effective measure. It's all effective measure to control credit control in an economy. The next was repo rate and reverse repo rate. This repo rate we oftenly heard in news channels and papers that about repo rate बढ़ा, repo rate घटा. अभी भी कोरोना के टाइम में रिजर्व बैंक ने रेपो रेट को घटाया है. रेपो रेट क्या है? रेपो रेट refers that rate at which RBI used to take loans from commercial bank, and reverse repo rate refers that rate at which commercial bank used to take loans from RBI, and reverse repo rate refers that rate at which Reserve Bank of India get loan from commercial banks. So whenever there is a inflationary situation, RBI used to increase the repo rate and also decrease the reverse repo rate. And whenever there is deflationary situation, RBI used to decrease the repo rate. thus repo rate is most easy tool which is oftenly used by central bank to control credit level in an economy, and repo rate is most easy tool